In this video, we are going to talk about the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve and understand if this is one of the best time to invest in the cryptocurrency market while staging to know more. So hi guys, welcome back to the Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So let's now dive into this video. So over the past few days, wala nga actually naging any significant moves sa Bitcoin. We have just been seeing a very steady consolidation and di ba sinabi ko naman sa previous video na wala akong i-open na kahit anong trade given the fact na wala nga tayong any big move. So with that being said, I think it's actually a good time to talk about the bigger time frame and zoom out kay Bitcoin. So right now what I have in here is the weekly time frame and it's the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. And para sa mga hindi nakaalam, Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve is actually a good data model in determining if nasaan na ba tayo sa market natin. And for the previous market cycle, we have been seeing different areas kung nasaan naglalaro si Bitcoin. So, previously, noong unang Bitcoin market cycle, we saw a very long consolidation. We saw not long, but somewhat it's quite a long time frame as compared to other market cycle. Mahaba na siya kasi as you can see in this very market cycle, mabilis lang yung pump but medyo may katagalan din yung kanyang consolidation. But as you can see sa mga previous movement, nag-continue yung pattern na yun, nagkakaroon ng consolidation dito and a massive pump. Same goes sa sumunod na market cycle, long consolidation, then a massive pump. Then same goes dito, long consolidation, then massive pump. So, one things for sure dito is habang tumatagal, the more na tumatagal yung ating movement, as you can see, tumatagal din yung ating consolidation area and patagal siya ng patagal as time passes by. Ang kagandaan naman nun is lalo din tumatagal yung ating bull market. As you can see, as time passes by, they are also increasing its time frame sa bull market. And right now, we're going to understand asa na nga ba si crypto market ngayon. So, looking at the current price to Bitcoin, you can see now we are at that similar consolidation dito kay Bitcoin. But as you can see, it's taking a very long time already for us to see this consolidation. And as you can see, Bitcoin is still playing in the consolidation area. Previously, we saw a massive pump kay Bitcoin. But as you can see, if you're going to look at the logarithmic growth curve, that pump was not yet a very big pump. Rather, it's just a continuation of the consolidation sa current market cycle. Yung pagkakit niya from 16,000 to 58,000 US dollars or roughly around 60,000 US dollars, that was still just a consolidation area. And as you can see, the moment that we touch this upper band ng lower regression band, you can see now we just saw a massive rejection ng agad and we just consolidated dito. So right now, what is next dito for the Bitcoin price action? So looking at the logarithmic growth curve, you can see that we are getting that bounce dito sa lower regression band around the 52,000 or 51,000 US dollars. So if we are going to follow this logarithmic growth curve, it's actually indicating na Bitcoin might not go any much lower than 50,000 US dollars. The moment that that's going to happen, then that would actually invalidate this logarithmic growth curve, which for the past few years, that hasn't happened yet. So right now, it's actually a very crucial area for us to see. And this is actually, ito na yung may malaking sugal na ngayon dito kay Bitcoin, which is, if you are going to invest right now for the long term, you can actually see na we might see a possible potential gain. And we can see Bitcoin go to much higher prices dito. And you can see now, since we are at the lower regression band, it tends to go up sa higher areas ni Bitcoin price action. We tend to go to the next areas ng regression band. As you can see, since we are at the current regression band, we might potentially see Bitcoin go to the next part of this regression band if we are going to see that happen within the next few months or next few years. And take note, this is in the weekly time frame. So whatever you are seeing here, it's not actually going to happen overnight. It's going to happen within a significant month. And you can see yung mga previous movement dito ni Bitcoin, this did not happen overnight. You can see it happened for roughly around 2 years or roughly 3 years nga to bago na-complete itong cycle. And as you can see, Bitcoin is actually playing around first year, the second year. So we're just roughly around 2.5 years na nga, and this could actually take much longer time kasi as you can see, the more na mas matagal yung consolidation area, the more na mas matagal yung consolidation, the more na mas malaki yung pump. So what I am predicting right now is, take note, this is just my personal thoughts dito. The more na we are seeing this longer consolidation, the more na we are going to see a massive pump dito kay Bitcoin. So I think this is a make or break dito kay Bitcoin. So just like what I did before na nag-all-in ako kay Bitcoin, I think this could be a potential all-in area for the long term. So for me, I think I'm personally going to take this risk rather than take this away. Siguro it's up to you if gusto nyo i-take advantage to, but for me, I'm going to take advantage of this. I might invest dito kay Bitcoin for the long term. I might go all in dito. Considering na, given na meron tayong panibagong data dito, this could be a very, very big step dito kay Bitcoin. Considering na this can go not only to the 100K, but around the $200,000 looking at this logarithmic growth curve. So ako, yeah, I'm going to invest in this. So, it's up to you if you're going to invest dito for the long term. But ako, I'm going to invest for the long term. And if this fails, then it's all on me. But yun nga, I think this is a very good risk na pwede natin take advantage. And take note, if you're going to invest dito, it's highly advisable na you only trade what you can afford to lose. Kung ano lang kaya nyo mawala, yung ipapasok nyo dyan. At ako, yeah, I might go all in dito, but let's see what will happen within the next few months and next few years. So, yeah, I don't think there's anything to talk about within the shorter time frames kasi in the shorter time frame, it's just noises na nakikita natin. It's just sideways action. I don't think na you're going to see any significant movement in the very short term, but for the long term, I think it's a very good investment dito. And yun nga, if wala pa kayo na open na kahit anong spot account dito kay Bybit, the best thing na you can do is to open a Bybit account. You can actually find out our affiliate links in the description down below. Then you can claim up to $50,000 bonus if you're going to sign up with our sign up link. And yeah, meron din tayong tutorial video on how to open an account with Bybit. So all of those resources are available, guys, in the description down below. And for the meantime, na habang naghihintay tayo, you can actually take advantage of our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. You can find the description down below. But yeah, all of those links are available, guys. So if you don't want to miss out those movements, make sure to learn the crypto analysis na ginagamit natin dito sa video by taking advantage of our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.